From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Our sunset times yesterday was 5:23, today 5:23, and when the sun does set today, we do expect to have a little bit more of a sunset, so skies are going to kind of clear out as we go through the rest of your day, so we should see a little bit of sunshine before the day is done. Yesterday was mainly cloudy. Our temperatures stayed a little bit below what we were forecasting. We only had a high temperature of 62 degrees. We'll probably be in that same range later today with highs in the upper 50s and the low 60s, but we did pick up measurable rainfall Monday, Tuesday, and yesterday. Not a lot of rain yesterday, but that occurred kind of early in the morning. We do have a cold front that's going to be moving through the Midlands, and so as that cold front moves on through, skies will clear on out, so we should see some sunshine before the day's done. Obviously, notice our forecast model showing a good bit of sunshine this afternoon. Maybe a passing cloud later tonight and into early Friday, and even as we go into Friday afternoon, can't totally rule out a passing cloud or two in South Carolina, so maybe a cloud or two. Even as we go into Saturday, we'll call it partly cloudy skies as we go into the afternoon hours, but over the next several days, it's going to be dry. Last few days have been kind of overcast, dreary, and a little bit wet. Things are going to dry out over the next few days. European model showing that dry Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, a few more clouds. American model showing a little bit of rain early Tuesday. As of right now, the chances for shower activity appear to be pretty small at this point. So we're keeping things dry in our forecast. So we're kind of leaning more towards the European model at this point. If you're going to be traveling over the next few days, no major issues. We'll pick things up Friday at midday, maybe a little bit of snow in the mountains of North Carolina, parts of Tennessee, maybe even up towards Virginia. Early Saturday, same thing. But for the rest of us, pretty quiet if you're going to be traveling. Today, quiet weather, clouds move on out. High temperatures upper 50s, lower 60s, a little bit of a breeze out of the west at about, we'll say 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those winds will be picking up tomorrow, so temperatures will be cooler tomorrow, and it will probably feel just a little bit cooler as well as those winds do pick up. Lows tonight dropping down to seasonable levels, about mid-30s. That's about what we expect for this time of the year. Not expecting a lot of rainfall over the next 7 days. Matter of fact, these are just trace amounts. As we mentioned, the American model showing a very small chance of rain very early Tuesday. European model keeps us dry. The clouds leave. That's the best way I could describe it and fit it onto this graphic with those highs in the upper 50s and lower 60s. If you are going to be going to Jacksonville, maybe you're a Clemson, maybe even a Kentucky Wildcat fan, it's going to start off a little bit cool for tailgating by kickoff. Kickoff is at noon, 54 degrees. A bit breezy with those winds out of the west at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. It's going to be breezy for us here in the Midlands also. Low 50s for highs on Saturday. New Year's Eve will go mid 50s, pretty close to normal. Then we're in the upper 50s to near 60 on Monday. Things start to cool off once again. Mid 50s Tuesday and Wednesday. The coastal forecast, we're showing some cooler weather over the weekend, some clouds early in the day on Thursday with some sun in the afternoon. And the upstate forecast looking pretty sunny today, a few clouds Monday, and then you'll notice those clouds kind of build back in on Wednesday as we kind of look ahead a little bit. Our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, we're expecting colder than normal conditions January 4th through January 10th, and we're also expecting wetter than normal conditions during that same time frame.